with the ThermaWrap R5. After we started using it, we found out that it was, very light. We measure it 4 feet high from the bottom, bring it up, snap our line, and all we do is start here, put it on the wall and just roll it out, and it sticks. When we roll it out, we can go right around the corner and it'll stick to the other side. So when we install the second row, as you can see, it has a 6-inch flap. We tape with the Tyvek tape, and it covers all our nails, staples. No water will penetrate it because it makes it watertight. When we're rolling it out, we cover all of our openings. After that, we come back, cut out all of our openings, and you would install the window or the door as you would using any other Tyvek home wrap. DuPont suggests using the Vinylign tool, which when we install our siding, we take the Vinylign tool, put it behind the siding, put our nails in, which we use a 3-inch nail so it doesn't secure too far in. When we nail solid to the block. So it gives you the firm point, then we pick it up, move it to the next point. Same thing, nail firm to the block, next point, and so on and so forth, which makes it a lot faster for nailing as we go. It saves so much time.